Teacher, today we will present you a video that captures movement in quotidian life. We think that movement is important because we use for everything movement, and is how the society go forward thanks to the movement. And we we you- we pretend to capture this in this video, how everything is about movement.
The movement the movement is present in every place and time. Also, you can see with you when you are coming to school or also in classroom. And also, in this video, we capture the things that we think are important. Honestly, the moment is in every place and everyone, like persons, cars, and some flying objects. In this video, we try to put examples.
Well, as you could see in these examples, movement is everything. If movement wouldn't never exist, we cannot develop or be what we are now. So movement is very important, and without it, we wouldn't exist. So that's all. Thank you for your attention.
Go. Hi everyone, my name is Alejandro.
I'm Diana.
I'm Andrea. I'm Moses.
And we are going to talk about fire.
Okay. Fire is a rapid oxidation of a material in the exothermical and chemical process of combustion. The red hot flames in which substances combine with oxygen from the air typically give up bright light, heat, and smoke. Amazingly, fire is made by incandescent molecules of that gives pinkish orange light and heat.
Fire has changed through time, and surprisingly, it can be used in many different ways. The most common ones are like cooking, in a camping, and also to make a static glow light. And sadly, fire can also be very harmful and can destroy buildings or forests like in seconds.
Unfortunately, when people is very close to the fire, they start feeling by a natural way in danger because the colorful red hot flames start making a bright and the people start getting panic.
In conclusion, fire is very dangerous. Nowadays are campaigns of fire protections that their goal is educate people to prevent fire accidents. And you can follow some tips like install fire alarms and plan a route.
Thank you.
And that's all, thank you.
Hola.
Go.
Hello, we are the team number 1 and we are going to talk about fire movement. Well, amazingly, some investigation and archaeological remains found indicate that the human species of Homo sapiens knew the fire for 1,600,000 years ago. Shockingly, it is believed that the first time the man saw fire was due to a thunderbolt that burned a dry surface.
Well, it is believed, and in my opinion, that the fire is one of the most useful things in everything that man has used along his history. With that, we can do, well, starting by food, cooking, we can survive the sickness that many like pig food, sorry, contain, and we also can build metal structures. We can build armors, weaponry, etc. The fire is one of the most useful things in there to be in the earth.
Fortunately, the food is one of the cultural heritage, and the Mexican food is one of the most important cultural heritage that we have. And how we can see in the video, how the movement and the fire is involved in the process of cooking the food. And in my opinion, I can say that the Mexican food is one of the most beautiful food and tasty food that we can try in the world. So that's why we record the video.
Look, teacher, look.
Crazy. That's you?
No, it's me.
That's the same t-shirt.
Okay.
We are the team number 2 and we decided to record and talk about this video that we record. It's about movement and fire. We decided to do this video because it was an experiment that I used to do when I was like 10 years old. and I decide to share with my partners, and it is very easy to do. This experiment, which consists of make a ball with an old cloth or something like this, and then you will put some alcohol, and then you turn on fire, and you can play with the ball because the alcohol don't burn your skin.
Okay. As we can see, the ball is really colorful and makes a red hot flame. But if you are close enough, you can see the smoke rising. Naturally, the ball is really hot, but fortunately, the alcohol decrease the heat in your hand. As we can see, the ball have two colors, three, blue, yellow, and red. At the bottom, we see the blue one, and it's the one that burns less. So this color blue touches your hand and decrease the heat.
In conclusion, it is a fact that playing with fire is obviously dangerous if you don't do it in a prepared place. So, if kids doing this type of activities is more um, probably that adults supervise them. Thank you.
Hi, we're going to talk about fire and movement. And well, um, as we saw in the video, the past Wednesday we were looking for something that involves fire and movement. So the first thing we decided to use a lighter for the fire, and for the action of movement we decided to play a little bit of pool. With the lighter, what we did was first of all look for one, and fortunately we found it very fast. And then we had to look for a colorful wall, so the fire looks much better. And well, thankfully we found it downstairs of the classroom. And naturally, what we did was record how the lighter spark came out.
Well, to do the topic of movement, we we decided to go to a pool room. It's next to Gordita Laura. And well, as you saw at the video, we record our classmate hitting a pool ball. So that's the movement of the video.
Well, in a conclusion, it is a fact that use fire it not a joke. So we have be very careful when we use it. And natural, we did that with movement, and with movement is obviously what we do. What we do natural, and it depends. Uh, on the situation and how you skill at that. That's it.
Okay, good.
Yeah.